Today we are going to draw a butterfly, okay?
Okay, I love butterflies. Let's start drawing. I like to draw a butterfly. Butterfly can fly, you know that?
Yeah.
All the things that can butterfly do.
Before the butterfly, what we call?
Caterpillar, of course.
You wanna ask me more questions?
Maybe yes. I'm not. Okay. I love to draw butterflies.
You can ask me about butterfly questions.
Okay, if I want one. How can the butterfly just fly? I know that answer. I'm just gonna ask you.
Okay, it has wings, that's why it's flying.
Okay, we know how butterfly flies. Do you know where the cat will be? In the middle, right? I know that.
No.
Yes. Like and share.
Yeah, subscribe and like and share. Do you draw?
Yes, I did. I don't know where is it.
It's not coming over there.
Ah.
That's why I'm asking you.
Yes. Look, I'm here.
Yeah, you're here.
I knew it'll come. And look, we both.
I started coloring over there.
Oh.
And you also started coloring.
We both did the same color. Pretty much.
Yeah, but we made it a little difficult.
Yes, mistake.
Yeah, but our daddy over here drawed with pencil and shaded with pencil. Pencil
Yes,
shade.
he didn't color. He just shaded.
But I like drawing. Stop laughing. You're making me laugh. See, yours is beautiful than mine.
Yes, it's also beautiful and nice. I love both of us. It don't matter.
You know, I like to color and draw.
Ooh, that's so sweet.
What is your favorite subject in school?
It's just math because I like to tell the numbers. And 2 plus 2 equals to 4. That's my favorite.
Yours is very